my fellow freedom builders, and welcome to the channel. We are going to do another stock of the day video, and as always, if you have followed me here in December, I have some rules that I am screening for in here in my stock scanner. It is the long-term TPI trend going up. It is a weekly TPI trend in accumulation oversold. And then the analyst's earnings per share estimates upside at 10%, meaning that there should be some upside to what the analyst thinks we're going. Not that we trust them at all, but I'll get back to that shortly. I also added a market cap filter here at 10 billion US dollars, and that is just because we had quite a lot of instruments to choose from today. The stock of the day is Chubb. CB, and when we go into that, we can do a quickly TPI chart here, showing that it is in a long term green uptrend, and then it just dipped down into the weekly oversold accumulation. And I know it is only Tuesday today, so this one, the weekly here, could actually change a bit, but anyway, it is in this accumulation oversold, and we are ready to take it if we can get some help from the valuation chart. First of all, let's go into summary here, and let's just see that the current price earning is roughly 18 here. All right, we'll use that in a second. Also, I checked out that the estimates 3 years out, meaning actually 3 earnings reports out, is also 10%. So let's try and put some numbers in here. We have the next earnings report just around the corner. So that is this one year estimate here. Then the second year estimate is actually 2024 here. And I have been in the analyst estimates checking on other sites, and can see that the estimates earnings per share growth here for 2025 is 10% as well, roughly. All right, let's put some numbers in. We have the future years to calculate. That is 3, meaning it's actually only 2 calendar years, and then the rest of December here. All right, we put in the 10% that analysts think it is going to grow in 2025. Right now, 21% over 2 years is decent, but that is from a price earning of around 12. But as we know, it's actually around 18 right now. So if that can hold up, the 10% earnings per share growth in 25, and of course the 10.7% here in 24, and if the price earning can stay at 18, we will have roughly 85% in upside potential here over 2 years, which is amazing. However, we know that estimates, they don't always come true. So let's just bump this down. Let's say they don't grow at all in 2025. That will still give us, if they can keep the price earning at 18, it will still give us around 69% over 2 years, which is also great. But if we're looking at the average price earning over 20 years, it is only 12. Over 10 years, it's 14. Over 5 and 3 years, it's roughly 15, 16. So let's bump this down to 15 and see what that does. That still gives us 40% over 2 years, meaning roughly 20% per year. What if investors are getting really nervous and they don't like the market at all? And we bump this down to 10. All right, at a price earning at 10, which is almost half of what it is now, we might see a little drop. So let's just go up here. At a price earning at 11, it is 18 now, and historically it has not really been down to that level at 11 recently. So at a price earning at 11, at a growth the second year here at 0%, we are still looking at a positive return. Combining that with the TPI showing that it might be time to enter now, then Chubb, the ticker symbol CB, might be a good investment. But remember, I might be completely wrong. So you need to do your own research. You need to dive into the numbers, look at your own trading strategy and your own risk management, because this is just an educational video to show you how to combine the TPI chart and the valuation chart. So do your own research, do your own due diligence, but take this as a bit of inspiration. That's all for now. Take care of yourself and your money out there. Bye.